Applications of Newton's second law. In applications of Newton's second law, it is a theory part. Lot of applications are there. So I am go one by one application of Newton's second law, and one of its application is impulse. One of its application is impulse. Very important is impulse. Okay. A karate player breaks a pile of tiles or a slab of ice in a single blow. How? How he is able to do it? Okay. I'm reading it. A karate player, correct. Force is how he is applying a more amount of force. Force is same only. Is not applying more force. Yeah. In less time he is applying. Fastly is applying. The same you can see in the case of first law, where you could not apply the gun one. Now we can apply this. In the first law, it could not prove completely.
Yes.
Now it is completely proving. Impulse. Okay. Actually, I will tell you about that impulse application first. Then we will go with the other one. So what is an impulse? The force which acts on a body for short time are called as impulsive forces. So impulse. Better we will discuss impulse the first because it's the most important application. Every application is related to impulse. That's why I want to make you know the impulse. The force acting. This is C. People will confuse. The force acting on a body for short time is called impulse. So for an example, we have a catching of a ball. Hitting a ball with a bat is an impulse. It is the effect of force applied for short duration. So what is this? We should need to know, na? So this impulse is given by the formula force into time. Force into time. So I equal to F into T. What is this? You know already what is F. So we have F equal to rate of change of momentum by time. So force into time is rate of change of momentum, P bar. So let us go back to again that in calculus once small. I'll make this because for explaining this it is more easy by using calculus. The force according to calculus is equal to accordingly is mass into acceleration. We have mass into acceleration. What is acceleration? D square dv by dt. We know na dv by dt. Okay, this mass is going inside m d into m into v by dt. So mv is how much? Dp by dt. P is momentum, na? Note this, you write it note for understanding. Mass you are multiplying inside velocity. Now what it becoming? Dv by dt. Dv mv is what? P. Mass into velocity is momentum. So dp by dt. dp means rate of change of momentum with respect to time. See, that's why calculus जितना बड़ा लिखने से अच्छा एक स्टेप में यहाँ प्रूव हो जाता है. This is the advantage of using calculus. In 12th class we will deal. Already first chapter we did na. We use this calculus methods. We did it there already. I taught you how to do all the equations of motion using calculus methods. Okay. So this is dv by dt. This is dp by dt. So when dp by dt is there, this is a small change. Okay. This dp by dt we are keeping here. This is dp. Change in momentum is nothing but force into time. Momentum.
Change in momentum.
Yeah, change in momentum. P is momentum. dp is change in momentum. Change in momentum. The change is not rate. Change of momentum. Only change of momentum. Okay. Is nothing but dp. So this you can take it as impulse. So this is you can write as impulse equal to dp. What is dp? M into v minus m into u. So m into v minus u equal to impulse. This is the formula for impulse. हाँ वो पहले लिखो. So the SI unit of impulse is, what is impulse? Force into time. So force unit is Newton, time unit is second. So it is Newton second. This is impulse. This is the SI unit. Newton second is the SI unit for impulse. और another unit is न्यूटन का क्या है? kg into meter per second square into second. Second square, this will cancel. It will become kg meter per second. It is nothing but momentum. So the momentum and impulse are nothing but same. But change in momentum is the difference. Momentum means only one particular point. Impulse means momentum between 2 points. Two given restricted points. That change, that difference will give the impulse. Clear? You can copy this down, and will go with the reasoning of each. We have this na. Now we will go with the examples of each one. Now the impulse, as it is growing more, as the impulse goes more, the impact increases of hitting increases. We'll see the impact of increasing. Okay, applications of Newton's second law, like how we did applications of inertia. This is also like that only, same applications of Newton's second law. First one is a karate player breaks a pile of tiles or a slab of ice in a single blow. How? Because the rate of change of momentum is very high and the time is very less. He is bringing from rest stiff hand, mass constant. Very less time he will hit it. Very less time he will hit it. Slowly if you bring, so that is the first application. A karate player breaks a pile of tiles or slab of ice in a single blow. Pile of tiles or slab in a single bow. This is the first one. So you know now, you can write down, draw this diagram. Simple diagram you draw. I am not asking artistic diagram. I am asking scientific diagram of every representation. Every object like this also this door also you can draw scientifically. I'm telling. Window. Draw a rectangle with a small elevation. Bas ho gaya. In a cricket, a fielder moves his arm backwards in the direction of the ball while taking a catch. If you play cricket, you will know it. Taking a catch is also a big, huh? It's a big event. Taking a catch. It's also a art to catch. Every player can't catch. Okay. When a car goes out of control, the driver would prefer to hit something soft, say hashtag, than something hard or a concrete wall. Hashtag. Hashtag. You don't know hashtag? Good say. Good say. Good say. You don't know? Hut. Hitting a hut is easy than hitting a tanker. It will lead to less impact. Accident prevention. If brakes fail, hitting soft objects like hashtag. సినిమాల్లో सिनेमाల్లో in movies हीरो आएगा एकदम ऐसा ठोकर देगा और वो साइड वाला कार जाके एकदम एक किसी चट्टान के ऊपर से कूदेगा और जाके कोई ऐसे ही हैशटैग के ऊपर गिर जाएगा. Not hashtag, hashtag. Stack. Athletes performing in a high jump athletic event are made to fall either on a cushion bed. So jump on a cushion bed. Even when babies or small persons like they are 5 years or 10 years kids are there, they by mistakenly fall down and they are stuck in between. Then what they will do, the fire stations, they will bring this cushion bed, and wherever he is falling, he will take like this. आएगा उधर गिरेगा आराम से उसके कुशन से गिरेगा उसको कुछ नहीं होगा. कुछ तो होगा लेकिन इतना भी कुछ नहीं होगा जितना कि हड्डी टूटने जैसा कुछ नहीं होगा. Shockers are provided in vehicles. Train side na రెండు ఉంటాయి. You know, in the train there are two. There is a train coach like this, na? Between coach and coach. What is this? Shock absorber. Shock absorbers. In bikes, trains, etc. All those are examples. Athletes are advised to stop slowly after finishing. This will go into inertia. Car passengers are advised to wear seat belts. Inertia case. China and glassware are packed with soft materials while transportation. Bubble type, pat. Thermocol. Thermocol and that, what is that known as?
Bubble wrap.
Yes, bubble wrap. Very good. For protection of glassware. See, China here also written. That means China goods will break. They are telling, textbook is telling.
మన అమెజాన్ వాళ్ళు కూడా ఇస్తారు కదా.
Everywhere. Springs are present in car seats. Okay. I will tell you more about this option because this is option which I like the most. In cricket, the fielder moves his arm backward in the direction of catching. What happens? The ball will be like coming now. There is a way of taking catch. I take catch. I take catch about 80 meter six का six पकड़ने boundary में मैंने catch लिया है. I am telling that's why. But not of that four-piece ball I didn't take. But normal or hard tennis ball I have taken catches. I know how it is to take a catch. I will take like this. This is the one way. This ऐसे पकड़ते हैं.
हाँ.
Exactly it will take like this, or they will take like this. If you take in a catch, it will come back like this. All cricket players know. Why they keep ऐसे लेके ऐसे लेने के बाद ऐसे. ये हो गया. ये सिक्स मारने वाला स्काउट कर दिया.
कोहली एक्सप्रेशन बहुत
हाँ कोहली will especially Shikhar Dhawan after taking catch, see here, he will take like this, and then he will like this. This is the way he will give, and he will give the ball like this, ऐसे. In the crowd na cheering, he'll see towards the crowd and say like this. That is Shikhar Dhawan's way of catching. Rohit Sharma will catch like this, and he will roll down. Kohli na will take like he will be in slip, especially like this. Ah, he will be sitting expression, and he will take it na like this. He will say, sometimes expression, very good expressions he will give. And when he will hit a shots na continuous sixes, and that one day he was taking the bat, like the bat was like this, and he was doing like this. Why that West Indies players na, especially Cottrell, after getting a wicket he will do like this,
yes.
salute, and he will show na like this, ऐसे he will show. That's why that Cottrell ball he gave a six, and he was also showing ऐसे bat से. Really I liked it in T20 player especially. Over writing. These are the some applications of Newton's second law, and they are also the applications of impulse. Everywhere it is impulse only which you are seeing, and inertia applications also are provided here. They are also included. The new version of software is coming, patch is coming, means what? It has the properties of older version and having new properties also, advanced properties also, like that only. Over. So our next topic is, the last topic of the day is, how is first law proving second law? Justify first law of motion from second law if it is asked. So we have to give this. Justification of first law from second law. This is our topic, small topic. So now you listen, you can copy it later. Both are not attached actually. Gap untadi. Ela untadi దగ్గరికి వచ్చి gap untadi, air gap. When turning happens na, they both touch. If you don't give gap na, it will hit each other. There is a lot of study involved in that, in trains especially. Loco and bogie attachment. Okay, justification of first law from second law. How we will justify? So we will take from second law of motion. What it is stating? F equal to mass into acceleration. Case number 1, at rest. At rest, acceleration equal to 0. So F equal to m into acceleration. When this becomes 0, and mass, where mass can never become 0, therefore force equal to 0.
0.
So there is no external agency at
Rest.
second, at uniform motion. At uniform motion, V equal to U, we have force equal to mass into acceleration, V minus U by T. Okay. At uniform motion, V equal to U, therefore m into 0, acceleration will become 0, therefore F equal to 0. Therefore it proves the first law at rest and uniform motion. Over. Today's class is over. Okay. Clear? So these are the two things we want to. Actually, this is a question. This is 3 marks question. But still, I am making you do it. I need not tell, but I say. इतना ये तो हो गया, मतलब एक और पढ़ा ही लेते हैं आज. वैसे तो थर्ड लॉ अभी शुरू नहीं कर सकते. That's why I am telling this. Third law tomorrow we will see. Third law and law of conservation of momentum, and that Marvel experiment also tomorrow only we will see. Because law of conservation of momentum, every topic we will finish, then we will do with these types of type 3, type C questions. And numericals also there. In this one, numericals you need to do. What is the force acting? Small numericals, simple numericals you can do easily. Nothing big task is there. Okay. Anything else? Any doubts anywhere till now? For example, mein over, right? All is clear. Okay. Thank you. Class is over.